Hi, welcome to my channel Knowledge Unlimited. I'm Vandana and today I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty, healthy and a super healing soup. You need lots of winter veggies here, and that's leek, that's bok choy, cabbage, you need some mushrooms and one cauliflower, broccoli, carrots. This is Thai lemon leaf, some ginger and garlic, and some French beans. Wash all the vegetables and cut them accordingly. Peel the garlic and ginger. And this is a cauliflower stem. Do not throw this stem as it is loaded with nutrition and it has more nutrition than the flower itself. Take a heavy pot, light the burner and put some olive oil. Add grated garlic and ginger. Saute them until they turn brown. Now add some water. Add the Thai lemon leaves. This adds a distinct flavor to the soup. Add all the cut vegetables one by one. Add some mushrooms. This is chopped celery. Tear the cabbage leaves with your hands and put them in the soup. Add some salt and let the soup boil. Do not forget to add the cauliflower stem. It will add a lot of nutrition to the soup. You can also add broccoli stem as well. Let us check the vegetables. They need a little more time to get tender. When the vegetables get tender, now add some bok choy leaves. This is because it will hardly take any time for these leaves to become soft, and overcooking destroys the nutrition of the vegetables and the leaves. Checking the status of the soup, and it's almost done. And I have switched off the burner. Soup is ready. You must try to make this soup at least once. Believe me, you'll never regret it. It tastes good, looks good, and heals you faster. Make it for your family, or for small house gatherings, or if you're down with flu or having cold and cough, it really helps. Please like my video and do not forget to subscribe and share.